This is in operator exercise. We're going to find professors with department IDs 1 or 2, and we're going to use in operator. We're just going to provide the list 1, 2. After that, we're going to find the professor with the salary 7,500 and 8,000. And question number 3 is we're going to find the professor who belongs to the department who has head of the department. And last question is we're going to find the professors who are not in department 1 or 2. Let's solve these questions without any delay. Copy these questions and you're selecting your database here, and I'm going to solve first question. Find the professors with department ID 1 or 2. You're gonna say select. After that, you're gonna select all columns. You're gonna say from. Then you have to mention your table name. I will say professors, and after that you are saying where and department ID, right? Department ID, and you are saying now in, and you are writing the IDs. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want to write. I will just write here 1, 2 since we have been asked only 1, 2. Now select this statement and let's check the results. Department ID, you will get only 1 truth. Okay, sounds good. Successfully executed. Next question. Find the professors with the salary 7,500 or 8,000. Again, similar question, just column is different and values are different. Here salary, and this first value is, we are saying 7,500 and this is going to be 8,000. Okay, let's execute this statement. Let's check the results. 8,000 and you will get 7,500. Okay, that's all for this question. Okay, let's move to the next question. We are going to solve question number 3, and in question number 3 we are going to find the professor who belongs to the department and that has head of the department. So let's find first head of the department. We have head of the department in department table and we have department heads here, right? So 1, 2 and 3, these are the head of the department and their department ID is 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna say select department ID, and after that I'm gonna say from department underscore management dot department table, and we are saying where your department head of the department is not null. Here what you're trying to say here, you are saying you want these values and you do not want these null values. That's why you are saying not null values. These are the not null values. Now let me execute this query. Unknown column department ID. So there must be a spelling mistake. Department. Okay. Let's check now. Okay, your department ID 1, 2, 3. So you have these 3 numbers, right? Let's see how to use these 3 numbers for our query. Now we need to find the professors who belongs to this department. How you gonna find? Just write down select professors I will say all columns, and then I will say from professors table, and after that you are going to say where your department ID. Now already we found that the department IDs for the head of the department, right? You're gonna just use this query here. So how you use that? This is your main query, and if you just simply copy this text or copy this statement SQL or query inside it, you will get the results. This is called subquery. Now let me see. We forgot one more word because we are providing list. You need to mention in here. Let me delete this one. Now we will have here in this parenthesis we will have values 1 2 3, and we will get only professors with department ID 1 2 3. Let's check this query. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3, because these departments have department head, and that was the question. If you have any doubts, please let me know regarding this question. We'll learn this subquery concept in upcoming lectures, but this is how you write your main query, and inside you write one more query. Now let's solve the next question. You are going to write here select again all columns who are not in department. Okay, I'm gonna say from professors, right? And you are going to write here where, and already we solved this one, right? But in opposite way. Now we have to write here not in departments 1 or 2. You are just gonna write here not in departments 1 and 2. So you will get other departments like 3 4 5, whatever the departments we have except 1 2. Let's solve this question and see the results. Okay, 3 12 9 7 6 5. Okay, awesome. This is how we solve like our 4 questions for the in operator exercise. And if you have any doubts regarding this, please let me know. That's all for this tutorial, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.